The AI platform that gives you access is Framia. All right, Framia Pro on your browser, whichever device you have, just go to the browser and type in Framia. It can be phone, laptop, whichever device, just head over to the browser. Now, once you sign in, this is how the interface looks like. The all-in-one creative agent. Now you click on get started for free, and when you click on that, you need to log in. Okay, logging in, you will be asked to choose in between which is your primary identity. Just go with the first, and your core creation demand, go with the first. Second, thirdly, you will be asked where the platform you heard about it, and you click on YouTube, and what type of video, just go with YouTube long video. All right. Now, these are just the few things you need to click in to properly sign in. Haven't signed in, this is how it looks. You can see on the top right hand side, I have 100 credit, which you get immediately you log in. All right, now this credit allows you to generate AI videos for free. All right, now you'll be given 100 credits immediately you sign in, and on the left hand side you click on projects. Immediately you click on project, you click on create work canva. Create work canva. All right, now having done that, this is how it looks. Okay, you can click on the plus again, or this will display. All right, but what I'm going for is image to video. So you start with image. If you're going for text to video, you start with text. I'm going for text and image to video. So right here, I will connect it to the video. All right, so these are the two box that I need. Okay, the two box workflow. First, I will import the image which I want to animate. Okay, I have imported it here. This is the image I want to animate. Sorry. The next is to the video aspect of it. Right at the video aspect, that is where you paste your prompt. So I will just head back to ChatGPT. That particular image has a video prompt and dialogue. So I'll just head over to copy it. Okay, come back here and paste it. Now immediately I paste it, the next thing that I will need to do is, let me shift this right here, click on it. You see one right here, you're seeing one. You scroll, you can see all the video generators out there. Okay, right here, let's just go with Kling 3 first. Your resolution and how many minutes you want your video, up to 15 seconds video. All right, this platform can generate up to 15 seconds video. Okay, now right here you can do frame to video, but leave it at or multiple reference. Multiple is very much okay. All right, this is it. You click on generate. Okay, it starts generating your video. Okay, now I have generated using Kling. Okay, while it is generating, we have to give it some time for it to generate. Then we preview it. Okay, then we get to see, what it gives us. All right. Now, this particular platform, each email you use in logging in, you get 100 credits. Now, if you want more information on how to access it for free consistently, just drop a comment on the comment section. Okay, it gives you 100 credit. Now our video is generated. Right, just click on the plus on the download up there here, and your video gets
when I was young, people hunted dragons, and now they take pictures of everything. Humans are strange creatures. You're not exactly normal yourself. Fair point.
Now you can see high quality video that it gave us which it is so good. Now you click on the plus again, click on image again. I want to generate another image. All right, that same process. Okay, click on upload. You upload the image you want to animate. All right, you upload the image you want to animate. This time around we will be going for another video generator. Right, we'll be going for another video generator. Okay, so this is very okay. I've uploaded one of the image I have on a script. Okay, this one, I've uploaded it. I'll click here right at this circle. Okay, but let's shift it. Click right at this circle. You right click, you see video. Right click, just right click. Good, you see video, click on it. Okay, it connects it. Instead of you connecting it, it connects it and pastes it the workflow box for you. Now below it, the same process right here, you will click on Kling, change it to Seedance. All right, now we'll be going for Seedance 1.5 Pro. Yeah, this one. All right, the same thing, you equally check here, leave it at multi. Okay, the same quality and size, and the length you can equally change it. All right, so having uploaded the image, we equally need our video prompt with dialogue. One thing I love about this tool is it gives me a good dialogue. All right, now having pasted my video prompt, I've equally pasted my dialogue. All right, just take your time to go through it. You can see the how many minutes, up to 17 minutes if you choose. Sorry, 15 minutes if you choose. All right, now I've uploaded all of it. Just go ahead and click. Now while it is generating my video, this is how much this particular platform charges. Okay, they are basic for beginners. Those first timers, not beginners, is $16. Okay, they have the package of $24 monthly, and they equally have the package of $300 monthly. So you can equally subscribe. Okay, these are what the platform charges. Now, having gone through what the platform charges, if you choose to upgrade, if you want to upgrade, okay, this is how much they charge. So this is our video. It has actually generated it. The same thing, I'll just click on it and click on the download, and the video is downloaded. So these are the ways you can access Seedance and Kling.
Easy. I'm not going to hurt you. Looks like we're both trying to survive this storm. You don't trust me, and honestly, I don't trust you either. Maybe for tonight, we help each other stay alive.